Hello there, everybody. We're back at you again out there on the old interweb, the artery and vein to life. I just want to thank y'all, man, for all your likes and subscribes and your comments to my content, to our content we put online about, our specialty skill, what we do in the HVAC industry, residential comfort cooling. So we thank you, and keep it coming, people. We love it. We love it, and we appreciate it, and we'd like to see more of it, and more of you all engaging in what we do, like and appreciate it. So continue to like and appreciate, subscribe. Thank you so much.